What can you expect from this video? Claims check, ingredient analysis, texture analysis. Is it problematic? My experience. Hello lovely people, I am Akanksha and welcome to Get Lighting Akanksha. Minimalist has brought a revolution in terms of Indian skincare. As far as I am informed, they are the first brand, the first homegrown brand from India who have really stressed on the importance of transparent beauty. For the past 2-3 months, I have been using a couple of their products and trust me, I am really loving those. Their products are amazingly affordable, really good quality, transparent without nasty chemicals, and they really show results. Okay, so the product that we are going to be talking in today's video is a Minimalist retinol serum. It has 0.6% of retinol, which is a really good percentage in my opinion. Retinol is a form of vitamin A and it is a gold standard and most proven ingredient for anti-aging and skin renewal. Now all of the other ingredients which give you anti-aging properties can actually prevent the signs of aging, but retinol is the only ingredient that has been proven to not just prevent but also to reverse the signs of aging. So you cannot go wrong with retinol in terms of anti-aging stuff. But yes, retinol can sometimes be irritating for some people. It might not suit some people, so you need to do a patch test obviously before using retinol. And also you should never introduce retinol and continue using it every other day. You should be slowly introducing it to your skin because the skin needs to get accustomed to it because it's an active ingredient, right? So use it once or twice a week and gradually increase the frequency of application. This serum also has ubiquinone. When applied topically on the skin, it acts as a superb antioxidant for the skin. So basically it's like a scavenger for the free radicals or the free energy that is present in our skin and helps the skin to glow and complements retinol in the process of reducing wrinkles and fine lines. One more thing that you need to keep in mind while inculcating retinol in your skincare routine is that always use it during the night time. The brand also mentions the pH of each and every product. So the pH of the retinol serum is neutral. Let's quickly have a look at the ingredient list. And honestly, before starting, let me tell you the ingredient list is really amazing. It is short, it is simple, it is to the point, and all the ingredients are just top-notch, bang on. It has squalane, which is an emollient and an occlusive. It also has 2 more emollients, which are capric triglyceride and caprate. It has bakuchiol, which is not just as effective as retinol in targeting the wrinkles or fine lines or the signs of aging basically, but it is also a really good antioxidant. Then it has retinol obviously in the 0.3%, polysorbate 20, which is a surfactant, and also it acts as an emulsifying agent. It has a stabilizer, which is the BHT, which is the butylated hydroxytoluene. Lastly, it has 2 antioxidants, which are ubiquinone and tocopherol acetate. This product is a really good blend, and if it works for you, as in if it does not irritate your skin, because retinol does irritate some people. So overall, this product is a really good anti-aging retinol serum, and along with the retinol, because it has the amazing moisturizers like the emollients and also the antioxidants, all these 3 blend in together to give your skin that optimum results that it needs. And actually if you use active ingredients in your skincare like retinol or vitamin C, then you definitely need to moisturize your skin to the T. That's because these active ingredients tend to dry out your skin a lot, especially retinol, because this serum is made in squalane, which is like the base ingredient and the solvent, the main solvent in here. So I feel that you do not need to worry about your skin getting all dehydrated and dry due to the retinol, because the squalane is gonna take care of all these things. And along with squalane, because it has 2 other emollients as well, so those will also make sure that your skin feels hydrated and smooth. And the antioxidants again help to bring the glow and brightness to your skin. They are the scavengers for the free radicals. So all in all, this product is amazing. I give it full 10 on 10 on every single aspect. It applies amazingly on your skin and it seeps into your skin. Yes, if you apply too much of amount, then it is gonna give you that oily feeling, but otherwise you just need to use 3 to 4 drops and it's more than enough for your entire face, and you are really left with a nice moisturized and nourished skin. So that was the short and simple review of the Minimalistic Retinol Serum. I have tried to cover each and every thing that you need to know about it. If you still have any question, then leave it down in the comment box. I would be more than happy to help you out. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell beside it. I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me Akanksha signing off. Bye.